Okay, welcome back. And so now we're going to finish up this lesson on weather by having our lesson quiz. So question number 1, where did Earth's oxygen come from? So you might be thinking volcanoes, but no. So Earth's oxygen came out of volcanoes in the form of CO2, but then that CO2 was taken in by plants and algae and converted to oxygen. So photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is where did Earth's oxygen come from. Number 2, organize the following layers of the atmosphere from the surface to outer space. So we're going to start with the lowest layer, which is where Earth's weather takes place in. That's going to be the troposphere. And then on top of it was the stratosphere. Okay, and then what was on top of the stratosphere? We didn't really talk about it, but the mesosphere. And then on top of that was the thermosphere. And then finally the exosphere. Number 3, the ozone layer protects us from what type of radiation? That would be ultraviolet. So ultraviolet light, ultraviolet radiation. Planets that lack oceans, so think about that like, for example, Mars. Planets that lack oceans have temperatures that do not vary much from day to night. That is false. They do. So a planet like Mercury or the Moon or Mars does have temperatures that vary a lot, and that is because of the lack of water to moderate the climate. Explain how a cloud forms. So we're going to start off with a parcel of moist, warm air, and then it's going to start to rise because it's less dense than the surrounding air, and as it rises, it's going to start to cool off. And once it reaches the temperature at which the gaseous water changes to liquid water, then you have your cloud. Number 6, high pressure systems encourage or inhibit cloud formation. So that would be inhibit. They don't allow clouds to form. What force is responsible for causing the Earth to have multiple global convection cells? Begins with a C. Coriolis. So the Coriolis force takes one convection cell in the north and one in the south and converts it into 3 in the north and 3 in the south. So there you go. So in our next video lesson, we're now going to apply the concepts that we learned today about weather to Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And we're also going to look at Pluto and the other debris that forms our solar system. So until then, I'll see you.